Is budgeting just a waste of time? You've tried, and it never seems to work. But what if I told you there's a secret to making it actually work? Today, we're revealing why traditional budgeting fails and the one thing you need to make it succeed. Let's face it, budgeting can feel like a losing battle. You track every penny, yet somehow, your finances remain a mess. Why? Because without the right approach, budgeting is just a time-consuming chore. Here's the game changer. To transform your budget from a tedious task to a powerful tool, follow these steps closely. Step 1. List your income. Start by identifying all your income sources, salary, freelance gigs, investments, and even side hustles. Knowing exactly how much money you have coming in is crucial. Step 2. Track your expenses. For 1 month, meticulously record every single expense. Include regular bills like rent and utilities, and variable costs like groceries and dining out. Don't ignore the small stuff. It adds up quickly. Step 3. Categorize your expenses. Break down your expenses into fixed, variable, and discretionary categories. This clarity will reveal where your money is actually going. Now here's the secret sauce to sticking to your budget. 1. Use budgeting apps. Leverage technology with apps like Mint, YNAB, or Pocket Guard. These tools help you track spending and stay on top of your budget with minimal effort. 2. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Treat savings like a non-negotiable bill that gets paid first. 3. Limit discretionary spending. Be mindful of non-essential spending. Use the 30-day rule. If you want to make a non-essential purchase, wait 30 days. More often than not, the urge will pass. 4. Review regularly. Schedule a monthly money date with yourself, review your budget, track your progress, and make necessary adjustments. Use this time to celebrate your financial wins and learn from any missteps. 5. Create a buffer. Always include a buffer category in your budget for unexpected expenses. This prevents small surprises from derailing your financial plan. 6. Reward yourself. Set up a reward system for sticking to your budget. A little treat now and then keeps you motivated and on track. Step 4. Set financial goals. Define your short-term and long-term financial goals, like saving for a vacation or retirement. Specific, measurable goals give your budget purpose and direction. Step 5. Adjust your spending. Allocate your income to each expense category, prioritizing essentials and savings. If your expenses exceed your income, identify areas to cut back. Step 6. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your budget and tweak it as necessary. Stay flexible and adapt to changes in your financial situation. Ready to stop wasting time and start making your budget work for you? Put these tips into action today. Subscribe to my channel for more expert advice on managing your money. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.